Hi there, Kat Satterley here again from the Alliance for a Healthier Generation. So we've just shown you how to complete your Healthy Schools assessment. Again, we also have the RISE Index available, and the RISE Index works exactly the same way where we have topic areas where we can click into those topic areas and answer questions to the best of our ability. Also within each of these, we have the status of the question. We have whether or not the item is in the action plan, who would likely know the answer. If I still don't know the answer, I can contact an expert. And this is the related resources related to this question. Within each question, we have resources placed to help you along with this particular criteria. From here, what I would like to do is go back to the Healthy Schools assessments, and that is something that's required for you. And I'm going to go ahead and show you how to use the action plan. Now, action planning is really the most important thing, right? Because we can complete the assessment, find out our areas of strength and areas of improvement, but then we want to take action and make 1 to 3 small incremental changes each year. So for example, if I click into health and physical education, and I click on HPE 6. Now in the sample, it's fully in place, but for example's sake, let's say that this is under development, right? And this is a goal regarding information and materials for physical education teachers. As I've read through here, I realize that this is under development. This is not fully in place, but this is possibly a goal that we can meet this year. So I want to go ahead and add that HPE 6 to my action plan. It's going to prompt me to be sure. Yes, I am sure. Now I can see that that item is in the action plan. Now we have some new functionality. From here, I can click Item in Action Plan. And what that's going to do is it's going to bring me deeper into that criteria question. It's going to list all of the criteria for that question. And here is a place where I can communicate with all of my team members, where I can add tasks, multiple tasks. I can also change the order of these tasks. If we have priorities, I can click and drag them. And I also have functionality here where I can add notes. I can also bold those notes, italicize them, block quote them, bullet list them, or number list them based on priority, or however you need to organize that information. Everyone on your team will have access to this information, and this is how you can begin to take action to get things done to move forward to fully meet this criteria. After I've added these tasks and notes, I'm going to go ahead and save the new note. Now again, this is HPE 6. So let's go ahead into the action plan and take a look at what's there. Use the left side menu, going into the action plan. And I can see here that HPE 6 is listed here under all of the things that I want to work on. Now this list could include all of the criteria that you're not meeting. This list can be very, very long. And of course, we don't want to have this many goals during the year. We just want to have a few. These are called Kanban boards. I can click and drag this particular HSP item over to this year's goals, because this is something that I know that we can work on and achieve this year. Again, I can click and drag things over. And when things are done, if we achieve this goal this year, I can bring this over into this column, indicating that goal has been met. Again, when my team comes into the action plan from the left side menu, this is what they will see. So if anybody has added notes in this particular item that we know the team is working on, they can also access those notes from here when they click on View. This will bring them back to the page that shows them the tasks and the notes. And again, we have the resources connected here for easy access. We can mark these as complete. We can remove this item for the action plan if we've changed our minds. Go back to the action plan. And again, be able to access any of these items through this word view. You can learn about using the action plan here. And if you want to help, for us to help you to improve the action plan, you can contact me at kathleen.satterley@healthiergeneration.org.